The klystron oscillator is the grey color or the black color vessel that is rested on the waveguide tube. The klystron oscillator is connected to the power supply unit through the complicated wire system. Let us now look at the box, klystron power supply. The klystron power supply unit works on the principle of a modulation technique wherein a square wave is generated using a signal generator, and this wave controls the entire operation of the klystron oscillator. The process of modulation is controlled by two voltages, the beam voltage and the repeller voltage. You have knobs for controlling the values. There is a meter select button on the top which helps you provide an idea of what is the present running beam voltage and repeller voltage. There are three choices: V, C and REP. V and C stands for beam and REP stands for repeller. So, this adjustments of beam and repeller voltage creates the required microwave power, which is modulated by the square wave 1 kilohertz, and this square wave is what we are going to look at the detector. Having seen how the microwave is created, let us now go to the detector side. As you see, the detector has a provision for taking out a probe output, and the probe is given to the DSO. And on the DSO, what do you see? You see a square wave, and if you finally look at it, the square wave frequency is 1 kilohertz, which was same as kept in the signal generator at the power supply. What are we to understand here? The microwave power is created in the interval of 1 kilohertz, and that is being detected by the detector. The detector has a diode which is activated when microwave falls on it, and that is seen as a square wave in the output. So, the presence of square wave means microwave is traveling along the bench. This is the way in which microwave generation and detection is done in the lab.